Hey everyone, Chase Harrison with Soundvision Technologies here at CEDIA 2022. We appreciate you joining us. Today we're going to feature our new Tremor sub. We want to talk to you a little bit about this. This will also be shipping in Q1 2023. It's our brand new in-wall subwoofer that's designed to replace our Trunami subwoofer. It's a high output product. It's designed to be retrofittable, an in-wall sub solution. What you see at the very top of that subwoofer actually is what we call our bass enhancer. It's an optional accessory that you can actually attach to the top of the sub and then actually slide it up inside of your cutout to add an additional 3 dB, giving you even stronger performance. But it still sounds great without it, designed to sit between a standard stud bay. And they also feature a proprietary dog ear technology that we've invented that essentially allows you to, if your dog ear's up against a stud joist or some obstruction, there's actually 2 sets of dog ears on every single post, so if one gets bound up, the other will swing out into its place, making sure you've got 4 really solid mount points. It is a passive in-wall subwoofer, so you're amplified at the rack, which means the subwoofer is covered by a lifetime warranty. We're really excited about it, and we're anxious to get it out in the market. So if you have any additional questions on that product, we'd invite you to visit trueaudio.com.